This is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Cooper's Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2010 Holden Cruze CD sedan. Stock reference number 4211. The shape runs from the third month 2009 through to the second month 2011. It has an F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. F18 D4 1.8 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right-hand front. We have the chrome radiator grille. Left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with 17-inch factory alloy mags. The left front has a good tyre. We have the left power door mirror. Left front door appears to have no damage. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light. Left-hand tailgate garnish. Boot lid appears to have no damage. Right-hand boot lid garnish. Right-hand tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Right rear door appears to have no damage. Right front door also appears to have no damage. Right power door mirror. And a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a bald tyre. We have the driver's side door trim. Power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and grey cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid. Manual type console. 5-speed manual gear shifter. Heated controls. Single stack CD player. Courtesy lamp. Left hand sun visor. Right hand sun visor. Instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.